This video shows how to buy shares of Woodside Energy Group Ltd, a major Australian energy company listed on CBOE AUS under the ticker WDS.ASX. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before you can purchase. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker WDS.ASX to locate Woodside Energy Group Ltd. Make sure you select the listing that shows CBOE AUS to confirm it is the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart showing recent movement. Confirm the company name, exchange, and ticker so you are on the right page. Click the Trade or Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, the order may execute later, and if there are insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the transaction. Once the trade is executed, your Woodside position will appear in your portfolio or holdings list. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to follow the same steps.